Stop wasting your time on fake V-Bucks tricks in Fortnite 2025. I've tested every so-called method you've seen online, and trust me, 90% are just scams. Today, I'm going to show you the truth, how to actually get more V-Bucks legitimately, and where you can find real Fortnite resources at work in Chapter 5, Season 4. Mention common clickbait titles. Free V-Bucks, no human verification. Unlimited V-Bucks glitch, etc. Show short screen recordings of fake sites. Blur domain names to avoid promoting them. Explain why they don't work. They just want you to click ads, download apps, or give personal info. Don't fall for Fortnite scams. Real Fortnite V-Bucks guide. Tell your personal experience. I tested over 20 methods. Most wasted my time. Share your gamer credibility. Your level, skins, battle pass progress. Give proof you understand the game. Quick montage of you playing in Chapter 5. That's right. No tricks, no scams. Just a legit V-Bucks secret code that you can claim today. All you have to do is check the link in the description, click it, and grab your exclusive code instantly. Or Google search type https://click prize of XYZ/gift card, enter this website, and scroll down Fortnite gift card claim now. Battle Pass progression. Play daily/weekly quests. Save the world mode. Consistent V-Bucks rewards. Special events and tournaments. Epic often gives skins or currency. Creative XP maps. Legit Epic approved XP farms. Fortnite 2025 grind. Don't waste on every cosmetic. Wait for bundles. Use wishes and item shop to track discounts. I put together a full guide with the exact events and tips I use. Plus updates whenever Epic has V-Bucks opportunities. You can find all on my site with the site name. No scams, no fake, just real info from real Fortnite players. Who does a resource hub, not a promise of Fortnite. Real Fortnite V-Bucks tips in 2025. Join Fortnite community, Discord for giveaways. Watch official Fortnite stream for drops. Follow Epic Games news for free event rewards. Fortnite giveaway tips. So, stop wasting your time on fake V-Bucks tricks. In Fortnite 2025, the real rewards come from grinding smart, playing events, and using legit resources. If you want my updated list of trusted Fortnite tips, check the link in the description. And don't forget, subscribe, and share this with your squad so nobody gets scammed again. Thanks for watching, comment, and subscribe.